Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So tell me about yourself, your experience, and your current project, all those things.
Coming to myself, I am Anand. I
Could
have
you?
overall three.
Okay.
Sorry.
Could you turn on your video?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Coming to myself, I am Anand. I have overall 3 years of experience. Currently, I am working on XYZ company. Uh, yeah, in this company, we work on one migration project. Previously, it was in Power Builder application. Now we are converting that application into the React.js application. In this application, we use React.js for state management, Redux for styling CSS purpose. Uh, we use Bootstrap. Yeah, this is a little bit about me.
So, what is your experience in React?
Uh, 3 years.
Okay. So, what are roles and responsibilities in your current project?
Yeah, in this project, we follow agile methodologies. We have 2 sprints per month. One sprint for 2 weeks. Uh, we we complete those talks daily basis and give the updates, and also uh, I maintain the moms of that meetings. Uh, yeah, this is my roles and responsibilities in this application.
So, you have experience JavaScript also.
Yes, I have.
Okay. Let me ask some technical questions in JavaScript. Okay.
Okay.
So, what is the difference between null and undefined?
Yeah. Uh, if I declare a variable without a value, it will give undefined. The data type of undefined is undefined. Null. Null is a special value. Uh, is null is nothing but empty. The data type of null is object. Uh, yes.
I think something in chat. What is output for that?
Type of null is object.
Uh-huh. Just check that.
One second. Type of uh, string. Sorry.
Okay, what is the meaning of primitive data types, non-primitive data types?
Uh, Actually, we have 2 types of data types. One is the primitive data types, and the second one is the non-primitive data types. We can say non-primitive data types are the reference data types. In the primitive data types, we can store single value, or we can update those values also. But in the non-primitive data types, we can store a number of values with comma separated. Primitive data types, we have string, number, big int, null, undefined. Uh, yeah, these are the primitive data types. Coming to the non-primitive data types, arrays and objects. These are the non-primitive data types.
Okay. So what is output here?
I think nan, 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 not a number. Sorry, four, four. Sorry, four.
No?
2 minus 2 is 0. 2 by 2, 2. 0, comma.
What is the last one?
Oh, 44. Here, 4 is the number type. Second four is the string. Or number plus string is it will concatenate. So the result is 44.
What is different between let, where, and constant?
Yeah, let, where, and const. These three keywords are used for declaring a variable. Uh, Let and const are the ES6 features. Coming to the where, if you declare a variable with the where keyword, it is a global scope. It can be accessed anywhere in that uh, in that file. Uh, we can reassign and redeclare that variables. uh, Coming to the let, if it is black scope, we can reassign a variable, but we cannot redeclare the variable. uh, in that where we can redeclare with if we redeclare that variable, we can get issue with overlap. For example, if we declare a variable uh, in the outer function, we can access we declare a variable outer function, and also we declare that same va- va- variable name in the inner function. It will give that outer inner function value only. Can I write here?
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, is it fine? Not a problem. Let me ask some other question. Okay.
Actually,
So, whatever the constant, you don't tell them the constant, whatever the constant in JavaScript.
constant
Const,
just
constant,
const, constant or const.
const.
Okay. With the help of const, we can declare a variables. We can initialize at a time. We cannot declare the variable. We With the help of const keyword, we can uh, yeah. If we declare the variable with const keyword, we have to initialize at a time, uh, and it will if we declare a variable with const, it will be host, but without initialization. So it will give the reference error. Uh, Const is we use const keyword uh, whenever we cannot change that variables.
Okay. Let me give you something.
Are you giving something?
Yes, yes. What is the output?
2, 3, 4.
But you told right, we once we define the variable to constant, we cannot change, right?
Only we can update that array, but we cannot change the array.
That means explain clearly. Update means what?
Like for example, we declare the variable with var keyword where a equal to 20. In the second line, a equal to 30. If we give the console like a equal to that will return 30. We
What is
are
the
reassigning. Yeah. We cannot reassign and we cannot redeclare. We can update that values with the help of cast keyword.
okay? What is the output?
X will be 10. Y will give error. Y already declared.
So is it forget executed or not? Will
No,
it,
no, it will not. It will not execute.
then it will print or not?
No, it won't print.
Okay. What is the spread operator and rest operator?
Yeah. Mm, with the help of rest operator, we can gather the all individual elements into an array. With the help of spread operator, we can expand that array of elements into individual elements. With the spread operators, we can quickly copy the elements. For example, in the math.max, it won't take array directly. It will take the individual elements. On that time, we can use that spread operators. In the rest operators, we mainly use in the functional parameters. Uh, um, we should use that rest operator at end of that parameters.
Hmm? Okay, let me give something.
Okay. Uh, A is 566. B also 56. No, 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 no. A is 56. B equal to 566.
Okay, just open the JS field, the share your skin, and open the JS field and show me this output.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
In the share skin,
Suppose you are
won't show.
disabled.
Yeah, just a minute.
Yeah. Yeah. Are getting my screen?
Yes. You can run. You can run. You tell the answer. I'll tell me the. Okay, right,
Like
right. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
You can hide this one. Okay, this one. Just hide. Click the hide here. I'm not seeing this one. Okay.
yes,
What is the
yes.
what is the output?
Yes. 566, 566.
Why? No, why the reason?
Yes. Actually, these are the references are different, but it is indicated to single variable, single value in the memory. If you
So what
update
is the
that one
reference? What is the reference means?
reference means that variable name.
Okay.
Uh, it is stored in the value, not the reference. That's why if we update that one reference, that is indicated to memory.
Okay. Now I don't. So here, if you change the B value, A value, or A array also changing, right? But I don't
Yes,
want to change the original array. Then what you will do?
yes,
Okay. So okay, what is the hosting in JavaScript?
yeah. Hosting is the concept where we declare if we access a variable without declaring that variable. For example, if we access a variable before it's declaring, it will host to the top of their scope while executing the code. Uh, if we can hosting will happen in three keywords like var, let, and const. But in the var, if we declare the var keyword, it will host along with uh, initialization. Let and const also it will host, but without initialization. That's why those will give a reference error. Let and const will give reference errors.
Okay. What is deep copy and sleep copy in JavaScript?
Deep copy, shallow copy.
Deep copy, shallow copy, sir.
I need to check.
Okay. So what are the closures in JavaScript and when you will use the closures?
Closure is nothing but combination of the functions. These are the used for data privacy. Mm, yes, these are used for data privacy.
Example.
Oh, for example, like nested functions.
Give me one scenario where you can use the closure.
Like if you want to create a Fibonacci series, like
Okay. So okay, let me. What is a promise in JavaScript? Promise. What is a
promises.
promise?
Yeah. Promises are the asynchronous operations. With the help of promises, we can do asynchronous operations like need to check these things. Asynchronous operations.
Okay. So I will give some questions. Tell me. Okay. I'll get some one question. Okay. Like given an array, in this I just remove duplicates in that array.
Yeah, we can remove duplicates with
Write the
set.
code. Write the code without using set.
Okay.
You can log it into.
Uh, yeah, with the help of include methods like yeah, I will. Yes.
Just run the output. There is some mistake. Is there? Tell me what is the mistake.
Mistake.
Okay. So you okay? Is it the same function? So you are the now same function you can use for the check with other array. Take the other array. Keep that one. Take other array and tell me the what is out for that array also. For that array also. Okay. I want both answers. I want answers with the both arrays. I want to put the both array duplicates.
Yes.
Is that correct? That's why there's some small mistake you did. Check from the starting, then you can understand where is the mistake. Okay.
Yes.
Now it's fine. We just remove duplicates, right? So now I want which number are repeated how many times. For each number repeated how many times. I want it in an object format. For example, in the first array, 3 repeated 2 times, 5 repeated 2
Yes.
times. And
Yes.
then
Yes.
that's what I want. Yeah. Okay, okay, leave it. Let me ask some questions in React. Okay. What is the
Uh,
virtual? Yeah, tell me. Why? What happened?
Nothing.
What is the virtual DOM in React?
Yeah. Actually, virtual DOM is the copy of the real DOM. It will uh, without updating, without rendering entire page, it will change that particular part of that component. So that is called virtual DOM.
What are state and props in React?
Uh, State is nothing but local data of the component. We can update that state with the help of set methods.
So if we
We cannot.
want, okay, what are props? Prop.
Props is nothing but props is nothing but properties. We can pass the data from one component to another components,
Mhm.
like
Okay.
parent to child. If we want to pass the props child to parent, with the help we can pass with the help of callbacks.
Okay. Is the states are mutable or immutable?
States are the mutables, but we cannot update that state directly. We can
So
update that with
if we change the state, what will happen?
directly.
Yeah, if you change the state, not directly. If you change the state using state function or something, what will happen? If you change the state
A component
value, uh,
component will render.
render or re-render?
I mean re-render.
Okay. So, for example, I have the parent component. In the parent component, I have the child component. Okay. I'm changing the state value in the parent component. So now you are telling that the component will re-render, right? So in this scenario, child component also re-render.
Yes, correct. Child component also re-render. We can prevent this with the help of our memos, React.memo with the help of.
Okay. What are component lifecycle methods in React? Lifecycle methods in React.
Yeah, in the class components we use lifecycle methods. Component mounting, dip mounting, component updating. Uh, these are the lifecycle methods in React. Mounting, updating, and dip mounting.
Okay. How to achieve this lifecycle methods in the functional component?
We can achieve lifecycle methods with the help of use effect hook. Uh, yeah, actually, in the use effect hook, we can write three ways. For example, actually, use effect hook takes two arguments. One is the callback function. Second one is the dependency parameters. If you omit that dependency parameters, if you give only that callback function, it will render again and again whenever wherever the state changes, then the time that a component will render. If we give the second dependency as empty array, it will render whenever that component is initialized at the beginning of that component only. If you give the second argument dependency as any one of the state, that use effect will render whenever that state will update. Then the time only it will render.
How to achieve the unmount component unmount in functional component?
Component unknown.
Let me ask the same question different way. I have the component. I have the state values. I, the updating the state values when I click the buttons like that. Okay. But when I'm leaving the component, before leaving the component, I need to clear all the state values. So what you will do? Another way, for example, I have the form. I fill all the form values.
Yes, I understood. Understood.
Yeah. So before leaving the component, I want to do. So this is before leaving the component means there is a particular life cycle method. What is that life cycle method?
Component. Sorry. Come again.
Yeah. The component. What is the particular life cycle method for that? If you're leaving the component means there is particular life cycle method is there. What is that one?
Component unmounting. I think.
component.
Component. Unmounting. I forget that name.
Okay. What are the keys in React? Why it is using the use the keys in React?
Yeah, keys are yeah, keys are used for index of mainly keys are used in list of elements. It is like a
Only
parameter.
only list elements we are using the key.
No, I think key is nothing but a index.
Why? Why we are using the keys?
For example, if you want to, I
Okay.
have to check.
What are the control components and uncontrolled components?
Sorry.
What is the HOC in React? HOC component.
HOC stands for higher order components, so we can pass a function as an argument and it will return a new functions. Mainly HOCs are used for component reusability purpose. It will increase the performance of that applications.
Okay.
వాళ్ళు అక్కడ కంప్లీట్ చేసి ఏంటంటారంటే తప్పించుకుని వేరే వాళ్ళు అంటారు అంటే అది ఎక్కడ నువ్వు చెప్పినట్టు దాని
Okay.
మీద ఉంటాడు.
Okay. That is the HOC. Okay. What are the pure components, impure components?
Hmm, pure, yeah, pure functions, pure function, pure. Actually, in the pure functions, if you pass a variable, it will give the same output. When how many times you have to pass, that is not a matter. It will give the same output. If you pass in the impure function, if you pass a variable, it will give different results.
Okay.
That is called impure function.
What is the use mem and use callback?
Use memo and use callback, these two functions are used for performance and enhancement. Uh, use callback will use memo and use callback. These two are take callback functions. Use callback function will return that a function.
Okay. Okay. Anjali is done from my side. So HR will get back to you. Okay.
Okay.